morning students, welcome to SST, So Simple Tutorial. Students, for the last 2 years we have been reading democratic politics only. Now we have come close to winding up our tour of democracy. Today we will start the 7th lesson, Outcomes of Democracy. Here we will discuss what outcomes we can reasonably expect from democracy, and also does democracy fulfill these expectations in real life? First of all, let us recall, why is democracy considered a better form of government when compared with dictatorship or any other alternative? We feel that because it promotes equality among citizens. It enhances the dignity of the individual. It improves the quality of decision making. It provides a method to resolve conflicts. It allows room to correct mistakes. We have read all these in class 9. Are these expectations realized under democracies? When we talk to people around us, we find that most of them support democracy against other alternatives, but not many are satisfied with the democracy in practice. What does that mean? That means democracy has wider acceptance in principle but not in the way it is practiced. So, do we prefer democracy for moral reasons, or there are some prudential reasons to support democracy? See, there are more than 100 countries in the world today who claim to practice democratic politics. There are several features that are common to all these democracies. They have formal constitutions, they have political parties, they hold elections, they guarantee some rights to the citizen. Yet these democracies are so much different from each other in terms of their social situations, economic achievements, and their cultures. Therefore, the achievements of all these democracies will certainly be different. But since they are all democracies, we can expect something, at least something, from every democracy. In fact, there is a tendency among people to think that democracy is a magical wand that can address all socio-economic and political problems. So, our expectations are more, and when they are not met, we start blaming the very idea of democracy. Since we are going to see the outcomes of a democracy, we must first recognize democracy as a form of government. That's all. Democracy can only create conditions for achieving something. The citizens have to take advantage of those conditions and achieve those goals. With this, we finish the topic planned for today. Let us now see the probable questions from this topic. 1. Why is democratic government considered better than any other alternatives? 2. Explain some features on the basis of which maximum number of countries choose to practice democratic politics. From the next video, we will start examining some of the things that we can reasonably expect from democracy. Till then, keep reading and have a nice time. Thank you.